let's go do our morning chores. Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Traditions Homestead. My name is Kevin, and today I thought I'd just bring you along as we're doing our morning chores and show you kind of a new surprise that we had on the homestead yesterday. Let's go. You know, we have 2 beagles in a lab. Well, yesterday Sarah and I were down at the creek, which is just about a half mile down the road from our house, and we found this girl. She, I don't know, I think someone maybe abandoned her down at the creek. She has an injured leg, but she is just the nicest dog. She seems well trained, and when we went to leave to come back home, she jumped in the car with us and just came home with us. So we did put some signs up to see if anybody's trying to find her, but I don't really think they're going to. She had no identification at all. So we're going to try to find her a home, but if not, I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get rid of her. So she doesn't have a name yet. We've been calling her Lucy, and she is just a nice girl, and she gets along with all the animals. Yeah. Should we go do chores, Lucy? First thing we need to do is go let the guinea hens, or open up the guinea hens and give them some fresh food. They're getting big. Every night they make a big mess in here because they try to roost all the way up on the top shelves and they knock everything down on the floor. So every morning I have to clean up. That's all they need for this morning is just some new food. I filled their water last night. You can see how big they're getting. And they're crazy flyers. I'll come back later and clean up the rest of their mess. Let's go let the chickens out. Lucy, sit. Morning, chickens. All right, let's go let the ducks out. This is all the food we give the ducks each day. Other than that, they're all on their own. And they absolutely love to just go wherever they want on the property. Good morning, ducks. So half the time the ducks lay in their house here, and then if I get in a rut where I start letting them out too early every morning before they lay, like I have been the last few days, they find a new place to lay. So now I need to go kind of watch where they take off to, so I know where to go collect eggs today. I need to get in the habit of leaving them in here extra long for a few days so they get back in the habit of laying inside their house. Where'd you guys come from? I know where you were. Let's go look. They like to lay in this yucca bush. Let's go see if there's anything in there yet. I might have scared them away by coming over too fast. There's nothing in there yet. We'll come back in a little bit and I bet there'll be some eggs.
Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to be milking Rory, our goat who's in milk. She still has 2 kids with her, but we've been separating them at night This is the last week that we will have the kids with her. They're going to our new home this weekend. So after they leave, I'll be milking twice a day, but right now I'm just milking in the morning. You can see that I probably have more equipment with me than just a bowl and my hands. Rory is very difficult to milk by hand. I actually don't milk her by hand. Kevin developed a homemade milking machine for me, and that's been working out really well for us this week. So I'm gonna go get her and milk her and then reunite her with her babies. Come on. You know where to go. Let's go.
All right, while Sarah starts milking, we'll go down and check on the pigs and the rabbits out in the tractors and our other goats and make sure that Lucy isn't harassing anyone down there. So far, she's done pretty good. Lucy, come on. Come on, girl. Good girl. Let's go check on the pigs. Good morning, pigs. Good morning, pigs. Hi, guys. Hi. I know, I'll bring you some cucumbers in a little while. Trust me, you guys aren't starving to death. You're just pigs. You can see they have learned how to use their water. And Lucy likes the pigs. And they don't seem to mind her either. Alright, let's go check on the other goats. Morning, goats. Gotta make sure everybody has water this morning because it's gonna be a hot one again today. Yep, they do. These guys have a tendency to knock theirs over, but doesn't look like they did today. Lucy, you be nice to those bunnies. No. Good girl. She just needs to learn the rules around here. Alright, let's go see how Sarah's doing milking. How's it going with Rory on the milking stand?
Good. She responds so much better to this milker. Last year when I tried to milk her, it was really a fight to get any milk out of her. She would kick, she would lay down, she would move all over the place.
And we didn't just try for a couple days.
No.
This went on for weeks.
Right. So this year I just gave a chance to this milker that Kevin made for me, and it's been working really well.
And the milk just ends up
down in a jar for me.
Down in a jar.
Yep. So she's doing really well. And we're really happy to get the milk in the house.
The babies, on the other hand, are not so happy to be separated.
They're never happy with me in the morning until I let Mama back in. Well, from Rory this morning, I got 3/4 of a quart of milk. And for one milking, that's really good for our Nigerian dwarf goats. And it really is an okay amount for our family. Once I can start milking her twice a day, it will be a perfect amount for our family. In October, our other goats will be kidding, and so I'll have 3 goats in milk at one point. So maybe I'll have so much I can start making cheese. That'd be awesome. So you guys, thanks so much for joining us this morning, doing our morning chores. We really enjoyed having you along. If this is the first time that you have been to our homestead, right now is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button below. If you're one of our faithful traditionalists that watches every one of our videos 5 days a week, we appreciate you guys so much. Hey, if you know somebody that would like our channel or would like this video, please go ahead and share it. And until next time, thanks so much for stopping by the homestead. Take care and God bless.